Hey, I want you to know that you really can start making money on YouTube probably sooner than you think. There's a lot of opportunity here. You don't have to have 1 million subscribers or even 100,000 subscribers or even 1,000 subscribers to start making money on YouTube. You simply need to ask yourself, what is it that I want to accomplish on YouTube? How much money do I want, or how many subscribers, or a certain amount of a certain size of fan base, or these kinds of things, and start working towards your goals right now. Don't put those goals off to later. Start working on them right now. I was recently going through my YouTube analytic data, and I found some interesting things about my audience. Number one is that I found that the vast majority of my audience, you guys, I appreciate you guys, every single one of you guys, the vast majority of you are under 100 subscribers on YouTube. And then there's a smaller portion that have between 100 and 1,000 subscribers, a few channels, not very many, that have over 1,000 subscribers, and a very few have over 10,000 subscribers. And this was interesting to me because my channel here is all about YouTube and then also finance. So I have YouTube is about half the videos, and also financial, investing, that's another half. And then the kind of the intersection of both of these things is YouTube monetization. So it was interesting to me to see that the vast majority of my subscribers don't even have 100 or 1,000 subscribers yet. Now, maybe you're subscribed to this channel because you want to get to that goal. And if that's the case, honestly, there's probably better channels to help you get there. I'm just an average guy. I don't have it all figured out. But I do know this, that if your goal is to make money on YouTube, you really can start making money on YouTube right now. You don't have to wait till the future. And what I mean by that is this. Like, a lot of times we think of monetization on YouTube as being about Google AdSense. Get to 1,000 subscribers, get to 4,000 hours of watch time, and start getting money from the AdSense, from those videos, from the views. And that's legitimate. Like, if that's your goal, if you really want to build a huge channel and make money through monetization that way, that's fine. But if your goal simply is to make money on YouTube and not necessarily to grow a big channel, then there's other ways to do this. One way, of course, is making a product of your own. Whether you write a book, whether you write an ebook, or you market your coaching, or whatever it is. You can sell things that you crochet, whatever your product is. Make a product and then start making videos about how you made that product. And then, yes, you'll grow a following through that, but really, ultimately, you're trying to sell your product, right? Or another way to start making money on YouTube is affiliate sales. So instead of selling your own product, you sell somebody else's product. Now, sometimes to get approved for these kinds of programs, you do need a following already of some kind, but it doesn't have to be huge. Amazon Associates, I think they never even say exactly how many subscribers you need. Same with Amazon influencers. Now they're just looking for people who have a community that's engaged a little bit. And from what I hear, they're accepting just about anybody nowadays. So with these kinds of programs, you really don't need a huge following. You just need to say, I'm going to start making videos about other people's products and then make affiliate sales from those products. And then anytime somebody watches your video, clicks on the link in your description, and then makes a purchase from that product, you get a commission from that. And then, of course, there's other ways of making money on YouTube as well, like merch sales or coaching or these kinds of things. My goal with this video isn't to go through everything, but just to let you know that you really can start making money now on YouTube. Sometimes when we start making videos or start trying to grow a channel, we think, well, one day I can get it monetized. One day I'll have a big enough channel that I can start making money from this thing. But if your goal really is one day to make money, don't put it off. Start telling yourself now, how can I make money on my channel even today or this week? And start working towards those goals. Now, that doesn't mean that you'll necessarily start making your money this week, but if you start putting in the work so that you can make money from these sources, it's going to happen a lot sooner. For example, if you get approved for the Amazon influencer program, that includes not just videos that you make for YouTube, but also videos that you make for Amazon. You want to get approved not just for off-site videos, but for on-site videos. And if you can get approved for on-site Amazon videos, the people who watch your videos on Amazon, they're already pretty much ready to make a purchase. They watch your video review, they make a purchase, and then you get a commission like pretty soon after posting that video. Now, of course, there's a lot that goes into that. You don't want to make videos for products that already have a ton of videos on the product pages for those products already. And you do want to make videos for products that are selling a lot. But if you just put a little bit of strategy into these things, you really can start making money pretty soon when it comes to your YouTube channel or Amazon influencer program. Now listen, I'm not making a ton from these things. I'm still building these things up. And I've been working at this for years. So it's not an overnight thing. It's not a get rich program. All I'm saying is that if you want to start making money online through content creation, whether YouTube or Amazon, you really can start doing that sooner rather than later. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.